Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the PNG version of the laptop mockup in Pixlr. So just go to pixlr.com in any web browser, and then we're going to double click on the Pixlr X Quick and Easy Design button. And then just double click on Open Image. And then open the mockup. And now we just want to add our design to the screen. So we'll just click on this square icon with the lines. It says Add Element Image when we hover over it. And then click on Browse to find your design on the computer. I'm just going to kind of click and drag it into place. You might need to resize it a little bit, so to do that, just click and drag on any of the four corners. And you'll notice it's a little wider than our computer, so we want to crop it. So I'll just click on this little scissors tool that says Cutout when we hover over it. And then I'm going to make sure that this shape cutout tool, the first one with a little square in the circle, is selected, and that the rectangle shape tool is selected under shape. I'm just going to click from the upper left corner to the lower right to drag the area where I want to crop the image to. And it's going to get rid of the excess, so now it'll fit behind the monitor. And you want to make sure the bottom layer is unlocked. You might need to click on the three dot icon in the layers panel. And then if you see it locked, click Unlocked. And then you just want to click and drag our top layer with the design underneath the layer with the computer. That way it looks like it's behind the screen. And then to add the background, we'll just come back here and click on this square icon that says Add Element Image when you hover over it again. And then click Add Media again. This time we just want to find the background on the computer. And now we want the background to be the bottom layer, so we'll just click and drag it underneath all the other layers. And adding your images to the PNG mockup is that easy. Depending on which mockup you purchase, there may be several different versions of PNG files. You know, maybe one that just has a screen cut out but has a white background. So you can just pick whichever ones work for you. If you're going to use this online as a thumbnail on a website like Etsy, you'll want to save a version of this as a JPEG. So just click the Save button at the bottom here. And it's going to give you several options. We'll select JPEG, change the quality to 100. We'll leave it on high, and then just click Save As. And it's going to ask you where you want to save it on your computer. Just find a folder and then click Save. And then it's going to save it. And if you wanted to, you could come back here a second time and click Save again. And then save, select PXE to save the native Pixlr document. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.